In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to give access in Hostinger. If you need to let someone else help manage your Hostinger account, the platform includes a built-in account sharing feature that makes this process simple and organized. Instead of sharing your own login details, you can give access properly through the dashboard, which is a much safer and more professional way to do it. To get started, log into your Hostinger account and look to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that icon to open the account menu. From the drop-down options, select Account Information. This will take you to the area where you can manage settings related to your account. Once you're inside the Account Information section, look for Account Sharing and click it. This is the part of Hostinger where you can control who has access to specific services under your account. If you haven't used this feature before, don't worry, the setup is very straightforward. After opening Account Sharing, switch to the Give Access tab. This is the section used to invite someone new. Then click the Give Access button to begin. At this point, you'll be asked to enter the required information. Start by entering the person's email address. Make sure the email is correct, since this is where the access invitation will be sent. After that, choose the service you want to share. This is useful if you only want to give access to a specific hosting plan, website, or related service rather than your entire account. Next, assign a role. The role determines what level of access that person will have, so choose carefully based on what they actually need to do. For example, if someone only needs limited access, it's best to avoid giving more permissions than necessary. Keeping access limited helps maintain security and keeps account management cleaner. Once everything looks correct, the email address, the selected service, and the assigned role, click Give Access to send the invitation. That's it. The person will then be able to receive the invitation and access the service based on the role you assigned. As a quick tip, always double-check the details before confirming, especially the email address and permission level, to avoid giving access to the wrong person or to the wrong part of your account. And that's how to give access in Hostinger.